Police officers responded to a multi-family residence following a report of shots fired. Upon arrival, an officer noticed 2 apartment doors open with several individuals gathered near the entrances, and instructed everyone to move away from the building. During the investigation, Charlese, standing on the public sidewalk, was overheard making threats.
Where?
1033 traffic on Division
Where's the gun?
Reference to 33 at 97th Street, 97th Street.
Come out now! Come out now! Come out now! Come out! Come out! Come out! Face away from me! Face away from me! Who else is it?
This man is threatening me.
Okay. Did somebody get shot?
Come on here and shot a gun at me, man.
Did somebody get shot here?
No, I didn't get hit. But my cat didn't get hit. We telling you.
No shooting. Just a
I'm trying to be violent every day. My last night he knocked at my door. Last night this man knocked at my door. I'm gonna wake him up.
Just a 22. No shooting.
Hey, stay out of the house.
No.
Stay out of the house. If I have to come get you, there's going to be a... There's no problem. I know when I called you. I know, but I don't know that, and I'm trying to figure it out. I'm back in the house, so I need you to relax.
Go up front, please, for me. Go up front.
It was kids back there.
Come on, babe. Come on.
We live in here. You see the kids back there?
We see him.
He shot in front of them. Like, he shot down with a little gun. He shot down.
Can I get you guys to go up front? Can I get you guys to talk to that gentleman right there? That police officer right there, though.
Did y'all see a casing or no?
West Palm Beach Police. West Palm Beach Police. Is there anyone in the house? They detained. He pulled out. Said that they were in an argument. That's his neighbors. They were acting foolish, and he fired a warning shot off.
Where's the casing?
No idea. Hey, we need to pull all the kids out because there's a zero in the house. When we pull the kids out, there's a zero sitting on the counter. Somebody grabs that gun and shoots the kid.
Okay, which apartment do you live in? 1 or 2? You live in 1 or 2?
I live in 2.
He a pussy. You don't even know, like, how I play with my feet. Like, you a pussy. And your bitch with all them bumps and lumps and humps.
Is this?
I don't even know
Is
how
she
you
with you or
fuck
no?
with all them lumps and humps
She's
and
with
We
you.
was in the same house together when this shit happened.
Okay, give me 1 second.
772.
So like, he knocked on the door, she opened it, and I heard the commotion, I came outside, and it started going
We're gonna get a statement from you, but I need to get your information first. So please just stop rambling about the story, please.
Good.
So what happened?
We came home. There was a bunch of like arguing last night, and they knocked on our door saying that the girl
Between
was
who and who?
the neighbors, as usual. And this
Those
morning,
two over there?
Yeah, this morning.
Between you and
No,
Miss?
we were not involved in their disagreement.
Okay.
This morning we were coming
They
home.
were arguing between the 2 of them.
Yes.
Okay.
And they knocked on our door trying to drag us into it. This morning we were like, hey, last night was a little crazy. And they were getting upset because we were saying something about it. He stepped in my man's face, and right here in the doorstep, and he was like, I need you to move. I need you to move, Steve. Get out of my face. And he was like, what you gonna do if I don't? And what you gonna do if I don't? Get your bitch and go inside. He started acting just real belligerent. And he was being threatened. I'm shaking because we don't go through this every day.
We still have traffic on?
I think so.
And now listen to her. This girl is a problem.
Okay, so fast forward, you guys were in an argument outside. Who
And he
was
just
closing?
wouldn't move, and he was being threatened, and he was like, get out of my face. And he was like, what you gonna do if I don't? And he wouldn't move. He was just like, move. What you gonna do if I don't? Move. What you gonna do if I don't? Just step in closer, inching closer and closer.
Okay, were you in the doorway? Were you outside?
I was standing inside my house on the threshold.
And the door was open?
Yes.
Okay. And where was...
And my man was right here. And
He was
was right where
behind you.
Officer Walker is.
He was
Kinda
behind
like,
you?
no, he was in front of me. I was behind him.
Thomas was... Where was Thomas at?
He was in front of me. I was
Okay.
behind him.
Okay, and so where does this... So where did the gun come into play? You said you were in an argument, then what happened?
And he wouldn't move. He was being threatening. And he said, no, what you going to do if I don't? And he was like, move, move. And then after so many back and forths, he pulled it out of his waist and said, I'm going to need you to move. And he didn't. And no one got shot. Eventually, he just got so upset and he walked away. Then he started walking back. It was just
Okay, when did the gun go off?
When he started walking back.
And what did?
And it went somewhere over there.
Okay.
You could be sure on the Hagen Hotel Alpha November.
Ma'am, is your last name?
So, we came here, an investigation was done, okay, based on what you're telling me, what he stated, the witnesses, he's not going to be arrested at this time, okay? She is going to go to jail.
For what?
Drunk and disorderly, and assault.
She ain't insult nobody.
Yeah, she did. We
Who
were
did
all
she
here to
insult?
witness it.
Who did she insult?
It's going to go through the court systems, and you can
Who
go
did
online
she
to.
insult? She didn't insult nobody. She didn't put her hand on nobody.
It's an
She
active
been standing in this
investigation, and you can request the.
Exactly. She didn't insult nobody. She been standing right here in the sidewalk.
It'll go to the court system. That's all I can say on it. I'm going to write an entire probable cause affidavit detailing everything, which will be available to you whenever the case is closed.
This is crazy, man.
Is there any other questions you have?
I mean, besides, this is completely bullshit.
Well,
This is-
no, a gun was shot. It's not bullshit. Okay.
You're right. A
Whatever.
gun was shot, and the person that shot the gun at me, y'all seen, and y'all let him go home.
Avoid any future contact with him.
Avoid.
All right, you're free to go. All right, come on, step out. Step out
Where are we going?
into my car.
All right, calm down, because you act like you want to put your hands on me.
No, but
All right, so calm down. Don't just open the door and say, step out like that. All right, talk to me right.
step out, please.
No, at the end of the day, you're a human being, so talk to me right.
Step out, please.
Whether I'm in handcuffs or not, because you're not going to drag me.
What's on your feet?
What's on your feet?
All right, whatever. I don't give a.
Listen, don't let that kid put his hands on me.
I do not want to put my hands on you. I just want you to go in the cell. You're right. Listen, the faster I can get to typing and I argue with you, the faster you get out in the end. So if you cooperate, you could probably be out by tomorrow morning. Okay, so I've asked you to go in the cell once. We've told you to go in the cell.
You never asked me.
Will you
never
please?
asked me.
I've asked
Okay,
you
come on,
multiple
let's
times.
go.
Come on,
Come on.
let's go.
Come on.
Come on, stand up.
Oh.
Okay, cool. Grab her other shoulder.
And y'all got the camera, right?
Yes.
All right, so get on me like this.
You're gonna get another charge. You're gonna get another charge.
Call a woman. I want a woman present.
Go get somebody, man.
Call a woman.
We'll get
You're not
somebody.
gonna drag me like this.
We'll get somebody.
All men around me. All men. Call a woman.
Hey, just your phone.
Just to see what's going on.
Hey, good day. Hey,
You're not gonna drag me and turn and grab my legs like that.
On First Street.
Shit you wish you could do in your room, little pencil dick ass bitch.
You're right. If you do not want us to put our hands on you, go in the cell.
How can I go in there?
You said what?
How can I go in there?
Well, you could have stood up and walked.
How can
but-
I go in there? You just dragged me.
Okay, so stand up.
Don't touch me. You, per se. Don't touch me. Don't. I said you. Officer, please don't let him touch me. I don't want him touching me.
You don't have an option.
Oh, you're breaking my arm.
Then stand up. Stand up then.
Put your foot on my neck.
Are you
without
done?
choking me.
Are you gonna stand up?
there. Face
No, you. Give me a chair.
Face that way. Face that
Give me a chair.
You keep dropping yourself. I'm trying to pick you up. You keep dropping yourself. Come on.
Breaking my arm. I'll give you
Another charge.
I didn't
That's
even
another
get-
charge.
It's not a charge.
That's another
I didn't
charge.
touch you.
Now you have a
I
felony.
didn't touch
Congratulations.
you. Look
Now
at
they
me.
stay on.
Congratulations.
I wish I would have hit. If you knock your mother off.
Sergeant, you're present for that?
I'm not gonna be present. It's on your kid.
Are you going to fight me?
Hey, just phone on tag.
Okay.
14
So stand up.
852 and 854 51.
14 Can you help me?
Last time I helped you, you kicked yourself.
Thank you all.
I'm on to 11, 15. You can play to it.
Ready?
Thank you.
11.
This way.
16 West Palm, switching 3.
10-4.
Over here.
Here.
Yeah. So you're obviously a woman and I'm a man, so I'm not going in there with you. Are we supposed to leave the door open or not? This is probably going on YouTube. This is going on YouTube. Come like you're praying. Like you're praying, it's more comfortable. Come on. I appreciate it.
Can you tell me what my charges is?
Battery on a law enforcement officer, drunken disorderly conduct, and assault. Yes, sir, you kicked me in the nose.
I can hear. I'm asking my charges. I can hear you.
Battery on a law enforcement officer, drunken disorderly, and assault.
Who I assaulted?
You assaulted your neighbor.
Huh?
You assaulted your neighbor in our presence.
Why?
It's on camera.
I never assaulted nobody.
You caused a well-founded fear of.
And you know that's a lie. This is what you guys enjoy around the holidays. Disturbing everybody else's. I assaulted my neighbor, and I attacked him and I touched him.
That would be battery.
Did I touch him?
No, that's why you're in charge of assault, because battery means you touched them. But you didn't
I
touch
tried
them.
you.
You made the threat. That's the crime.
While you're in your presence, right?
What happened?
Oh, sorry, go to bed. Can I use the bathroom, please?
Give me 1 second. I need to call another officer here based on.
I don't want to move myself. I have to use that. I have to do it number 2. Can I please use the bathroom? Oh my God! I'm doing everything you're bringing over here. Can I use the bathroom? I'm a woman. I'm bleeding. I bear children. Can I please use the bathroom? Come on, that camera.
Can you stop yelling, please?
Can I use the
Can I
bathroom?
explain to you
Or
something?
put me in a room with a bathroom in here.
There
I
isn't
have to
any.
go.
I cannot
Respectfully.
respectfully back. You've battered a law enforcement officer, so can I take you out of that
Do
cell?
anything. I didn't
You
do
kicked
anything.
me.
You just took me out and let me use the bathroom. You just took me out.
When there was another
You
officer
took
here.
me out.
There's another officer here. Have a seat. The quicker we get to county, the quicker they can give you a female hygiene product. I cannot give you any here. I do not have any.
Well, I still have to use the bathroom whether you give me a hygiene product or not.
I understand. Another officer has to be here. There was just a shooting. Okay? I'm sorry that it happened when you were here. But all of our supervisors and all of the other officers are trying to look at the man who just shot somebody. Okay? I'm sure you would want the same if you were in that shoes. We have to do the due diligence and give them the opportunity to utilize our resources. As soon as another officer gets here, I will have them come in here so we can let you use the restroom. Please bear with me. I'm not trying to be disrespectful. I have not yelled at you, degraded you. Stand up. Let's go use the restroom.
I can't breathe.
Are you requesting medics?
No, don't request medics because it's going to prolong. I think I'm just having like, I don't know what it is. Like,
1102 West.
I don't know what just happened. I don't know what just happened.
Okay.
I just collapsed or something real quick. But I'm okay. Don't request medics.
Okay. Do you want to use the restroom or no?
I want to get this process over.
Okay.
I can't. Just give me, please, just give me like 1 minute. I can't get it right now.
Do you need to use the restroom or no?
I do.
Okay.
I can't get up.
Upside down Florida tag.
I need water.
Ma'am.
I'll call an ambulance. Call an ambulance.
Okay. All right.
330.
$11.10 West Palm.
1110.
What is your complaint? Asthma, shortness of breath?
Westbound 1110.
Yeah, can you start medics for booking for my 1015?
What's up, man?
Greetings. So, started with she had to use the restroom. Then she was saying she was actively dripping blood from her period. And then she collapsed, in a very gentle way, which I don't know how that works. And now she's saying she's having. She did batter me, just a heads up, but.
Hello? What's going on? Are you able to sit up for us? All right, if you go over that fence, that would be super helpful.
Mom, I can't make it up for it.
I'll help
But
you.
I'm okay. You don't have to. I'm okay.
You don't want our help?
I'm okay.
Okay.
I'm sorry for wasting you guys' time.
Okay.
I don't know what happened. I just collapsed for a second.
Okay.
But I do still have to use the bathroom.
Okay, you have to stand up for that.
I can.